Hi, welcome back to Knives and Frocks. Today is part 2 of the Let's Talk Veggies series. Last time in part 1, we roasted some Brussels sprouts in a delicious balsamic marinade. Today we're going to make sweet potatoes, but this time we're going to put the dressing on after we roast them. This is a great one for meal prep. They're delicious hot or cold. To be honest, they don't usually last me throughout the week because the dressing is to die for. Now, let's talk veggies. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 sweet potatoes. I like to judge 1 per person. Half of a sweet onion. When you're buying these at the grocery store, make sure you get as flat, flying saucer shaped as possible. The flatter, the sweeter. Some extra virgin olive oil, some cider vinegar, some honey, some salt and pepper, and a fresh sprig of rosemary. Preheat the oven at 400 and then line your baking tray with your silicone mat or some parchment paper. Then peel and chop the sweet potato into bite-sized cubes. Slice the onions and sprinkle them over the top. You want to make sure there's only 1 layer of sweet potato and onion and everything spread out evenly. This time we're only going to use olive oil and season them before we put them in the oven. So drizzle the olive oil over the top and season them with salt and pepper. Place them on the top shelf of the oven and take them out to toss every 15 minutes. They should take a total of about 45 minutes. You can add a little bit more olive oil each time if they're looking a bit dry. Now, onions generally take less time to cook, so if you don't like them on the burnt side, you can add them in after the first 15 minutes of cooking. While those are cooking, you can make your dressing. Now, I like to find a little jar and make more than I need so I can use it on other things throughout the week. Keep it sealed and it'll last for several weeks. Now, we're gonna use the same method that we used in part 1 of Let's Talk Veggies, where we used 2 parts olive oil and 1 part vinegar, but this time we're gonna use cider vinegar. So pour in your olive oil and vinegar first, then add your salt and pepper, fresh rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Give everything a good stir or shake and you're ready to go. Once everything's cooked, take them out of the oven and transfer them to a large mixing bowl. Then pour a good amount of the dressing on and toss them evenly and they're ready to serve. So that's it. I hope you make this and tag me with your results on Instagram at Knives and Frocks and subscribe to our channel at Wear Media.